Art Factory for Kids. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Art Factory for Kids channel. Today, we are going to draw and color an ice cream cup. Let's get started. Please, try to draw with me and make your own beautiful drawing. It's easy to draw an ice cream cup like this. At first, I'll draw a waffle heart. Now, I'll draw a cherry on the top. Then, I'll draw a cream topping. Now, I'm drawing the cup. It's very big. The ice cream starts to melt and drip slowly. Here, I'm drawing more waves for another ice cream layer. At the end, I'll draw more cherries. Now, I use these black marker to make the drawing more visible. Let's start to color and have some fun. I'll use these colors: green, red, cream. Purple, orange, red, yellow, blue, and pink. Rose. Chocolate brown color. Red color. Blue. Our ice cream cup drawing is almost ready. It looks so delicious. I love it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more colorful drawings. See you in the next video.